Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to be opening something different today that we've never opened before on this channel and that you may have never seen anybody open before. We've got 5 packs of these Three Bros and a Card Store baseball wax packs. It says it contains modern and vintage cards. Contains 10 player cards, and this is the first edition, printed in 2021. Picked these up at Dollar Tree. These were $1 each, so I went ahead and picked up 5 of them. Wasn't sure what's going to be in here, so it's kind of a mystery of what are you going to get? Should I buy 20 of these? Should I buy one of them? So I went ahead and just got 5, get a good sample of what's in here, and see if I want to go back and get any more. So we're going to break these open and see what we can find. Best I can tell, it's a repacked product that is going to contain probably things from all different brands and all different years. So we'll just see what we can find out of here. I'm not expecting a lot, but it's a cool looking thing anyway.
Kind of like CVS or Walgreens boxes.
Yeah, something like that, but I expect, these will probably all be in good condition, and we'll just see. Probably going to be mostly base cards, maybe Hall of Famers, maybe not. Starting off with some 87 tops here, Tim Stoddard. Got a Moises Alou, not too bad there. Mark Grace. Okay, so we're seeing some decent names here to start off. The Paul O'Neill. Wally Joyner from 92 Upper Deck.
Cool card.
Yeah. Got a Juan Pierre. Todd Cruz. What year is this? Like 81 Fleer. I don't know if I've ever opened any 81 Fleer before.
Hey, cool card.
Orlando Cabrera. It's an Upper Deck card. Brett Saberhagen. It's a nice name. And finally a Bob Melvin.
A lot of Topps products.
Yeah. That one was okay. That Mark Grace out of the 91 Donruss is probably the best one we pulled out of that pack. See what we can get here out of the second pack here. Jose De Leon. Don Sutton. Darren Dalton.
Ooh.
It's a Ben Grieve Artisans card. Not sure
Cool card.
what that is.
Is it numbered or anything?
No. Topps Gallery is what this is. Okay. Al Newman. There is Carlos Quentin. Kevin Hickey. A rated rookie of John Atkins from 2003 Donruss. Julio Franco. It's a old Julio Franco card there. I don't know if I've ever seen him in an Indians uniform before. Nowhere near his rookie card though. And Mike Mason. Not a whole lot there. Here's the third pack. Another Jose De Leon. There's a Frank White.
Whoa.
You got a
What is it?
picture perfect Will Clark wearing a cowboy hat and cowboy boots when he played for the Rangers.
That's a cool card. Yeah.
It's a score card. It says photography by Randy Johnson. So I guess Randy Johnson took this picture of Will Clark. Okay.
11 of 15.
Well, that's not a numbered card. All that means is there's 15 different cards in this series of cards, and this is the 11th one out of the series. So,
Cool card.
yeah, that's interesting for sure. Never seen that before. I'll put this Will Clark cowboy card up there. Another Artisans Troy Gloss there from Gallery. Got a Rich Yeet. Yeet. Matt Thornton. Another Kevin Hickey. Star rookie of Ryan Wing. Ron Darling. He's a commentator with, I think, Fox or ESPN. I'm not sure.
Name rings a bell.
Ron Karkovice.
No Braves so far.
You know, we have not seen any Braves out of these Three Bros packs. But we have seen a lot of these at the end of the packs. Every time we open it up, we see 88 tops. There's a Steve Shields. We got a Harold Baines. That is an 89. 89 score. It's a nice Fred McGriff from 91 Donruss.
Whoa. What's this?
I don't know what this is. It's the Idols Pinnacle. We got a picture of some comedian or something, and a picture. Let's see what the back tells us. That's Jackie Gleason, an old actor, and David Cohn. I suppose this means Jackie Gleason is David Cohn's idol.
Yeah.
All right.
Weird.
Interesting. It's gonna go up here next to the Will Clark cowboy card.
Interesting stuff.
Getting some oddball things out of here. There's Gary Sheffield. And we've got a Matt Thornton again. There's Todd Cruz.
Ooh.
Josh Fields.
Is that a ticket to stadium?
Ticket to Stardom.
Oh.
Some kind of prospect card there.
Ken Griffey.
Ken Griffey Sr. with the Braves. So that's Ken Griffey Jr.'s dad.
Oh, that's a cool card.
Yeah. So that's not too bad. We like that one. And Bill Landrum.
Not a bad bag. Yeah. Odd stuff. 88 top.
Got another 88 tops there. I'd like to finish off with those. Rick Rhoden. Like that Fernando Valenzuela. He was a nice pitcher. There's a Matt Williams. He was a good player too. Making a funny face there. Like he's surprised that he made it to the base or something.
Yeah.
Got another Artisans card. That's going to be Fulmer. Brad Fulmer, first baseman.
What's this card? Yeah.
Don't know. It's Larry Brown for Chicago. Looks like a statue. He was born in 1905. Wow.
This is some weird stuff.
Oh, it's the Negro Leagues card. Okay. Interesting. It's going to go up here. Our oddball cards. Mark Kotze. They really like Kevin Hickey in this this series. He's heavily featured. Mitch Wiley. Jimmy Key. And our final card, unfortunately, is going to be Ernie Riles. So, what do we think?
It's odd.
It is odd. I would not buy these packs if you're looking for really good cards. But if you're looking for a good time, maybe pull some interesting cards, this is a product to go for. So you're going to find some weird things in here, it looks like. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think of these 3 Bros and a Card Store baseball wax packs. Alright, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe.